My next guest says the market for weight loss drugs is just getting started. Here to discuss is Jared Holz, healthcare equity strategist at Mizuho. Good to see you, Jared. You called it Obesity Thursday. Why was it such a big deal?
Kelly, hey, how are you? Yeah, just getting the incremental data from Lilly and seeing some of the numbers. I mean, we're basically just at the precipice of this market taking off. And obviously, a lot of investors have been talking about obesity for quite a while now, at least over a year. But we're just scratching the surface in terms of revenue. And like you mentioned, Mounjaro has not even been approved for obesity. So we're not going to see the results from a sales standpoint until next year. So we're just getting going, basically.
Yeah, kind of like AI. I mean, it's just getting going, and yet you can argue it's already priced into a lot of the valuation of Microsoft relative to others. Is weight loss already priced into shares of Lilly and the others?
Well, certainly a lot. I mean, it's very tough to know exactly what the weight loss drugs are as a component of the valuation, but Lilly and Novo are both getting close to 400 billion in market cap, which is almost double any other peer. So it's probably in the ballpark of 50 to 100 billion for each company in terms of what these drugs are worth. And, so arguably they're going to have to grow into the valuation. We'll see how the numbers ramp up. It seems like they're going to be massive. But obviously, there's a lot baked in here, yes.
Yeah, I mean, these facts are incredible. If approved, Mounjaro could become the best-selling drug of all time. I think this is from B of A. Sales could hit $48 billion. I mean, the record is held by Humira, which is AbbVie's rheumatoid arthritis drug. That was $20 billion. Just unbelievable. Wegovy, just to take another factoid here, $1,300 a month. And obviously those with the means who want to lose weight are willing to pony up for it. How big of an impact are these drugs going to have once they're and would you say they are already broadly available, or have we not reached that point yet?
They're not broadly available because it's still not that easy to get a prescription. I mean, we are seeing them being written. Mounjaro really should take off next year. Wegovy's done pretty well out of the gate. Some would argue very well. It's still really, I would argue almost a vanity drug at this point versus a therapeutic from the numbers that we've seen. Not really sure that the people that are really most suited for the drugs are actually getting them. That would be the obese population by definition. But we'll have to see. I mean, if these numbers are right, it's going to be a little bit of a balancing act or a delicate situation for the companies, because at some point someone's going to have to pay for all these drugs. And 48 billion is a monster number.
Yeah.
It just seems like at some point the payers are going to, obviously be impacted.
Or they just become the whole market. I mean, we all know that obesity is a risk factor for so many other conditions that are already being medicated. If those go away, then maybe this supplants that. What's the difference between these three different leading ones on the market right now? And is anything else in the pipeline?
Well, Wegovy is essentially a reformulated Ozempic, and Mounjaro and Wegovy are fairly similar. The differences are nuanced. The data has been a little bit better for Mounjaro from Lilly from what we can tell, but it's still a little bit early and not enough time has gone by. They're probably more similar than different. Those two are going to have a duopoly for a while. I would give the edge to Lilly, but it's going to be close. Some of it could come down to distribution and pricing and other things of that nature, logistics, et cetera. And then Amgen and Pfizer are kind of in the wings. They're waiting. And they're going to have more data as the years progress, but they're probably 3 or 4 years behind. And then Viking Therapeutics, which is a small cap biotech play, has had interesting data lately, but they're also, very immature versus Lilly and Novo. But it will get more competitive. For the next few years, it's probably a two-player market. But, obviously with the valuation or the value that's been created by just these first two companies, everyone wants a piece, I would think.
Oh, it's incredible. Between that and what's happening on the Alzheimer's front, this is kind of the busiest period all of a sudden in pharma in quite some time. Jared, thanks so much for your time today.